my second chatter, Tita Marie, Tita Marie, Tita Marie, and also Tito Stephen, is to the roof, David, um, Robert Indoro, Pat Wilson, um, Ray Saracen, and all my member is due to the roof. Thank you so much. And also Ray Saracen, my member, and also Robert Indoro is um, my member. Shout out to all of you guys. Net bate kaayo. Good morning, everyone. Shout out. Good morning. Shout out. Good morning. Shout out to all. I can show you the I would like to shout out to. I haven't sent the one is watching right now. Thank you so much. Hello, good morning. Good morning, Philippines. Right now, guys, I am waiting for the customer from my store and see if they will they'll come later or in a minute. So while waiting, guys, so I have to do my live stream. Sorry, and see how you doing, and hope you have a good day. Have a good day, guys. I'm gonna sign my hair. It's hot in here, guys. It's getting so hot. I can show you the one is watching. Thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate it. Guys, I got muscle pain from yesterday's Zumba. I got so muscle pain. So I'm gonna look for